Coach, Burberry, Ralph Lauren from Dollar Tree. Yes, ma'am. Over here we have a Burberry or a Coach dupe. But first, some Pottery Barn tricks, and this drinking glass that is flying off shelves. It's got candy canes on it, and what is so cool is Pottery Barn has a near identical cup, $56 for 4. I love how this one mimics a similar design, high-end look, rock bottom price, and this one will wow. They have these gorgeous reindeer. Now these look like they're made of glass or crystal, and I have seen online things like this retailing $80, $90 at high-end stores. This is a really great find. Wait till you see how I use this. It's so editorial because of the shapes, the lines, and a very similar product. These holiday glass place cards, 4 are almost $30 at Pottery Barn. My friend, you can put name cards in the reindeer's antlers. I like this even better than the Christmas trees. No one would have any idea you got this from the Dollar Tree, and I have so many stores to cover. We are just getting started. This is brand new and a Pottery Barn dupe. 12 of these at Pottery Barn is $99. This is virtually the same thing. And y'all, I just want to show you, I wish you were here in person. My gosh, look at how beautiful this is. Like, this is that really punchy cherry red. Like, even in person, this color is even better. This was the look from last week's video. So this time I wanted to mimic the Pottery Barn look, but not hundreds of dollars. $5.50 a setting. And look at these brand new wine glasses. These are so large, and this is Gibson brand. Dollar Tree really shouldn't have these, but they're shipping them out to a lot of stores right now. So for today's look, I grabbed these evergreen plates. Now I haven't yet styled this on my channel before, and I took another Dollar Tree plate, put it on top. You can see the candy cane glasses and the reindeer. This is really similar to the Pottery Barn look and done on such a budget. Candlesticks, candle holders, these are Pottery Barn dupes. I've been doing tons of high-end old money DIYs on my channel, and today we're in Dollar Tree, and I'm going to share with you the secret places you can save a lot without sacrificing quality. Stick with me, I've got you. Come here. These are amazing gift ideas and a new product. These tree candles. Because they've got the mercury glass vibe, these are totally giving Anthropology. And if you want to know the best scent, in my opinion, it is One Fine Pine. These are $5 each. And Dollar Tree has also lots of open style candles. They have taller ones and smaller ones. All of these are $5 and they smell awesome. Check out the Anthropology prices. I am not playing. These are such a good deal. From Pottery Barn to Anthropology. Now here's where my conspiracy theories begin. Like, this is the real deal, and I have to have you look at this closely. Pause the video if you need to. Anthropology on the left, Dollar Tree on the right. Are these not the same glass manufacturer? I'm pretty sure they are. I love how these candles look. And the biggest thing is you want them to smell great, not just look great. So I'm going to tell you that too. All of the best scents to buy. Some of them are worth it, some are not. Welcome. This is the spot that is hidden. These are great. They are in every Dollar Tree, these boxes. Honestly, this is so regal looking. I really like the red. I think the gold and the silver. My store just got a shipment of these, and truly, the way to make these look actually nice is to get Dollar Tree tissue paper. The packs of 6 are going to be the best patterns, and then get a giant spool of 1.5-inch ribbon. I'll link mine below. It is 4.8 stars, and this ribbon is chungus. Like, it is huge, y'all. It will last all holiday. And for my favorite candles, One Fine Pine has the best throw, followed by Sugar Plum Fairy. These are the 2 I recommend in terms of Christmas candles that you'll actually want in your home. And this glass canister, it looks so anthro. It came from Dollar Tree too. But I just wrap this right around, and then you can put it inside of the box. I think packaging can make such a big difference. And what I love about these boxes is they can be reused from year to year, especially with the satin bows. Doesn't this look so beautiful? You would think you spent way more on this gift. Just wait. And I do not want to give you a Dollar Tree dupe that doesn't actually look like the real thing. We're going to be duping this match set from Anthropology and doing it all from Dollar Tree. Check it out. And yes, all of the glassware in the candle section is still $1.25. Grab this one with a fluted top, as well as one of these cloche domes. Now, these are plastic, but when you take the bottom off, you would never know. I'll link my favorite long stick matches below so you can do this DIY. Cut off a strike plate of a matchbox, and then you can hot glue this onto the side of your container. This will slip right over the top, looking so similar to the Anthropology version. For a most elevated look, you're going to glue this onto a candlestick. And these ribbed glass vases, they come in a clear and this amber, which I much prefer. Look at this with your Dollar Tree candle. Like, this is giving such big Anthropology vibes. I mean, you can see how much these retail for in other stores. I absolutely adore how this turned out. And once you have a flickering flame inside of the glass, the color is so beautiful.
This is a little Williams Sonoma. This is a little bit Anthro, but I really like these. They're $3. And something I've never seen here before, they also come in bigger sizes, but I think I like the white ones better. This is one of those things that you either really get it or you don't get it at all, but I really like these.
And now let's talk fashion. You want high-end editorial, you want Coach, you want Burberry, maybe Jimmy Choo. I have all of the secrets you need.
And these slippers are brand new this year. I really like these. I think they would be a great gift addition. This bow is so on trend. Love.
I actually liked both of these slippers. These are flying off shelves in stores. This is very similar to lots of items that I've seen at Nordstrom or for like $30, $40 online. So the fact that you can get these for $5, they're a great deal, and they come in a wide variety of sizes. I can highly recommend.
And I love the hats this year. The little pom-pom floofs on these are so soft. Kathy, feel this. Just feel it. Right? It's really good. So I love these. And what you can also do is attach these to different hats, or maybe if you hand make them, this would be a great way to get these affordably. I also really like these to cover your ears. These make great gift ideas and nobody would know that you got them here. You could really put together like a super cute mom-daughter look. Like, this is adorable, and packaging it right is going to give it that high-end vibe.
And that's why we need to talk accessories, because these have super stepped it up this past year. This headband to me looks like something I recently saw at Anthropology. It is velvet. Look at these rhinestone bows. I stumbled across this Jimmy Choo $375 hair clip. Look at the similarities between that and these. You can see the pearls and the gold. You can really find similar looks for $1.25. Even these pearl bobby pins, these are like $50, $60 in high-end stores. I love a bow, but I want it to look unique. Look at this bow barrette for $148. I thought this was so beautiful, but I knew I'd seen this before in the freaking Target dollar spot. Look at this. All right, I know it's technically not Dollar Tree, but this dupe was too good not to share. This is the same thing. All you have to do is just cut off the ornament hanger. These are meant to be ornaments. You might remember I hung this on our Christmas tree in our bedroom, but I just used some hot glue to glue this onto an old barrette. I got this from Dollar Tree. I just took off the original bow. This is a DIY you can do in just a couple of seconds, and some of my favorites are still to come, but is this dupe not nearly identical?
Over here, we have a Burberry or a Coach dupe with these glasses pouches. I really like this black one here. This really reminds me of a lot of like the really trending purses. This looks cheap, but this looks elegant just because of the sheen on it. So I'm really looking for like size, style, and texture to be similar. And like, I know there's somebody who's gonna be like, Kathryn, that is not Coach, that is not Burberry. But I'm gonna say, as if, like, who can afford, if you can afford $1,000 for a bag, good, you do it, I'm happy for you. But if you can't, and you want something similar, or you wanna gift something beautiful that feels meaningful and something that somebody would love, this is a great option. And these are things that I really like and actually use in my real life.
With that Coach Burberry style, I'm seeing a lot of velvets, I'm seeing a lot of pearls, a lot of golds, and still lots of bows too. Dollar Tree scrunchies are fantastic, friends, especially like the really big ones. They look so good in your hair, and a lot of them feel like satin. So my trick for the bows on the boxes is to cross them over top, and then I add a little bit of hot glue to the inside of the box, and that's how I get the bow to stay on top. And then I just tie a bow separately and hot glue that on. Then I cut down the edges. Be sure with these satin bows, you want to give them a little bit of heat. Singeing the edges just for a second prevents them from fraying. Adding some tissue paper to the box gives it lots of elegance, but you can put something together like this for like $5, which is so truly rare these days. So I really hope this helps somebody. And if you're not a big DIYer, Dollar Tree has bigger boxes that are pre-done for you. They're great.
When I'm looking for great dupes, I'm looking for color, I'm looking for texture, and I'm looking for size. If I can start to mimic those things, that's gonna help me make something that ordinarily does not look like it's worth a lot look really awesome. And the texture on these is awesome. Like, I want you to feel like how high-end these are. Like, truly, like, they're so nice. Like, this is a gift bag that you would pay $5, $6 for in other stores. I like the green too. These could be used for Christmas time, but I'm gonna save these for birthdays. My mom's birthday is December 23rd, and so I like to put something in a bag that's not so Christmas. These are beautiful. And I know very technically the rules of Ralph Lauren are if you have plaids, you don't have bags, you wrap everything. And Dollar Tree has great plaid wrapping paper that looks very high end. I love these wine bags. They also have them here. These are so beautiful, and to me, the colors and textures are reading really, really pretty. Dollar Tree is the place to come for journals. A lot of them dupe things that you're seeing at Anthropology. Now, I know that here, like in all this madness, this does not look that great, but does it match my outfit? Why, yes, it does. And if we take the plastic off of this and we dress this up, this could look really high-end and done affordably. If you want more high-end dupes from the dollar store and for less than $10, you leave this video a big thumbs up and a comment down below. It helps bring it to more viewers just like you. If nobody has told you today, guess what? You are enough. Good to see you.